Akala nyo ba basta fit and young is free from heart disease na? Naku, don't be so sure. Isa-isahin natin ang mga common myths na akala natin na ito totoo pero mali pala. So number 1, the too young excuse. So bata pa naman ako, bakit ako mag-aalala sa puso? So actually, plaque buildup in the arteries can begin as early as childhood or adolescence. Dahil sa ating modern lifestyle, yung laging nakaupo o sedentary habits and eating processed foods, mas maaga na lumalabas ang hypertension at type 2 diabetes sa mga kabataan. So number 2, the thin and fit shield. Payat naman ako or active, kaya 100% safe ako. So being fit is great, but it doesn't make you immune. Kahit payat ka, you can still have high cholesterol na minsan ay genetic or even undiagnosed arrhythmias or irregular heartbeats. Hindi lang external appearance ang basehan. Kailangan nating silipin ng nasa loob through laboratory test. So last, number 3, the it's in my genes trap. Nasa lahi naman namin to, wala na akong magagawa. Huwag po tayo basta mawawalan ng pag-asa. Yes, family history increases your risk. The good news ay 80% of premature heart disease ay preventable. Sa tamang lifestyle choices, early detection at proper management ng weight and cholesterol, pwedeng-pwede nating baguhin ang storya mo. Kaya mahalaga ang regular na pagpapakonsulta. Don't wait for symptoms. You can visit any Healthway Medical Network facilities from clinics to hospitals kung anong malapit sa iyo. Aalagaan namin ang kalusugan mo.